Now, the question I have to try and think of the answer of is, did they have too much or too little? I'm going for too much butter. Butterlanche.
Butterlanche.
Wait, is that an arse avalanche or a butter avalanche?
Beneath the butter
Well,
was
considering
butts.
I heard the Norwegian buttock crisis the first time out.
Oh.
And again, too many or too few? And do you get an extra hole, or do they bifurcate around a central orifice? Or?
Altogether too many asses.
What accent was
it's in
that?
Italy.
Because that wasn't Norwegian, Gary.
You can't use WD-40 on it.
No, you can't. That's a penetrating fluid.
Oh, Jesus.
Sorry, it's a real bugbear. WD-40, not a lubricant.
Penetrating.
It's a water displacement.
You okay there, Gary? Have you just heard the words penetrating fluid? And, okay, good.
I can't go to Halfords again. Every cloud has a silver lining.
A buttery line.
Salty, buttery middle.
Oh, imagine the rain.
It's raining ghee.
Hallelujah.
It's raining.
So is it all stuff that people either can't be asked to make anymore, or they've decided it's not good for you and it's gone out of fashion kind of stuff, and then everyone's forgotten about it?
Yeah, pretty much. It may not be forgotten about, but it could be.
Or rules have presented it being done, like unpasteurised milk, that kind of thing.
Oh, yes. So just in terms of categories,
Can we just clear this one? Said, do you want it pasteurised? She said.
I'll be happy if it comes up to my chest.
Thank you. Thought I'll leave you that one.
It's not funny if you don't set up the whole bath of milk thing beforehand.
Oh, milk. Oh, right.
Yeah.
See, you've done this once before.
I know.
If you're going to tell a joke,
You have to
You
tell
have
me
to tell
the
the joke.
joke. Yes.
Oh.
I'll write that down.
Hey! Wait, I've got one of those.